Okay, so if you have a Mac computer here and you notice that the dock at the bottom is not showing, let me show you how to fix that. You're going to want to go up here to the top left to that Apple icon, click on that, go to System Preferences. Okay, and as you notice, I have to actually go down here so the dock pops up so I can even pull up System Preferences. Click on System Preferences there. Okay, and then once it comes up, you'll see here there's an option that says Dock. Go ahead and click on that. And then there's all these different options here. Right there it's selected automatically hide and show dock. We want to uncheck that. And when you do, all the icons are at the bottom now. So that's how you get all the icons to show on your bottom toolbar on your iMac or your MacBook.